Welcome to Bell Television. In today's video, no matter what you are going through, you will be taught how to break out from negative cycle, drawing references from the world's most successful people. Failure occurs every day, in school, jobs, housework, and within families. It is unavoidable, irritating and causes pessimism. While the thought of flinging your hands in the air and walking away is all too appealing, take a second to connect with the people who have been there and survived. Here are 6 famous failures to success stories around the world that will inspire you to keep going and achieve greatness. 1. Joanne Rowling. Joanne Rowling was born on the 31st of July 1965, better known by her pen name J.K. Rowling, is a British author, screenwriter, producer, and philanthropist. She is best known for writing the Harry Potter fantasy series, which has won multiple awards and sold more than 500 million copies, becoming the best-selling book series in history. The books are the basis of a popular film series, over which Rowling had overall approval on the scripts and was a producer on the final films. During a Harvard commencement speech, Harry Potter author J.K. Rowling outlined the importance and value of failure. Why? Simply because she was once a failure too. A few short years after her graduation from college, her worst nightmares were realized. In her words, "I had failed on an epic scale. An exceptionally short-lived marriage had imploded, and I was jobless, a lone parent, and as poor as it is possible to be in modern Britain, without being homeless. The fears that my parents had had for me, and that I had had for myself, had both come to pass, and by every usual standard, I was the biggest failure I knew." Coming out of this failure stronger and more determined was the key to her success. 2. Steve Jobs. The now revolutionary Apple started off with 2 men in a garage. Years later we all know it as a $2 billion company with over 4,000 employees. Yet, almost unbelievably, Steve Jobs was fired from the very company he began. The dismissal made him realize that his passion for his work exceeded the disappointment of failure. Further ventures such as Next and Pixar eventually led Jobs back to the chief executive officer position at Apple. Jobs said in 2005, "I didn't see it then, but it turned out that getting fired from Apple was the best thing that could have ever happened to me. Lost your job today? Keep kicking and you could be just like this guy." 3. Bill Gates. William Henry Gates III is an American business magnate, software developer, investor, and philanthropist. He is best known as the co-founder of Microsoft Corporation. During his career at Microsoft, Gates held the positions of chairman, chief executive officer, president and chief software architect, while also being the largest individual shareholder until May 2014. He is one of the best-known entrepreneurs and pioneers of the microcomputer revolution of the 1970s and 1980s. Bill Gates was a Harvard dropout. He co-owned a business called Traf-O-Data, which was a true failure. However, skill and a passion for computer programming turned this failure into the pioneer of famous software company Microsoft, and the then 31-year-old into the world's youngest self-made billionaire. In his own words, "It's fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lessons of failure." This isn't to say that dropping out of Harvard will make you into a billionaire, but maybe that shiny degree isn't worth as much as the drive and passion to succeed. If you haven't found your passion like Bill Gates, being driven by your passion should drive you. 4. Michael Jordan. In his words on failure, Michael Jordan said, "I have missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games. 26 times, I've been trusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. I've failed over and over and over again in my life. And that is why I succeed." This quote by retired basketball legend Michael Jordan in a Nike advertisement speaks for itself. It would be an easy misconception that Jordan's basketball skills revolve around natural talent. In fact, in his earlier years, basketball coaches had trouble looking past the fact that Jordan didn't reach the minimum height. It was years of effort, practice, and failure that made the star we know today. Michael Jordan's success all came down to his intrinsic motivation, one of the most invincible types of motivation that drives people to succeed. 5. Steven Spielberg. Regarded as one of the most influential filmmakers of all time, Steven Spielberg is a familiar household name. It is surprising to realize therefore that the genius behind Jaws and E.T. had poor grades in high school, getting him rejected from the University of Southern California 3 times. While he was in college, he caught the eye of executives at Universal, who signed him as a television director in 1969. This meant that he would not finish his college degree for another 33 years. Perseverance and acceptance of failure is the key to success, after all. Even though I get older, what I do never gets old, and that's what I think keeps me hungry. Bad grades in high school aside, there is no questioning the genius involved. To date, Spielberg has directed 51 films and has been awarded 3 Oscars. 6. Albert Einstein. The word Einstein is associated with intelligence and synonymous with genius. Yet it is a famous fact that the pioneer of the theory of general relativity, Albert Einstein himself, could not speak fluently until the age of 9. His rebellious nature led to expulsion from school, and he was refused admittance to the Zurich Polytechnic School. His earlier setbacks did not stop him from winning the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. After all, he believed that success is failure in progress. To this day, his research has influenced various aspects of life including culture, religion, art, and even late-night TV. Just because you haven't achieved anything great yet, doesn't mean you can't be an Einstein yourself. Like Albert Einstein said, failure really is just success in progress. If you'd rather not to fail, you will probably never succeed. Success comes from moments of frustrations when you'll be most uncomfortable with. But after you've gone through all those bitter times, you'll become stronger and you'll get closer to success. If you feel like a failure and think that you've failed all too many times, it's not too late to change things up. Don't be afraid to fail. In fact, start failing, and start failing often. That's how you will succeed. No matter what you're going through, you're capable to break out from the negative cycle. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to watch more life-inspiring videos like this. Also click on the above to watch another suggested video for you from this channel.